Welcome back to another weekly news wrap. This week we look at the rallying iron ore price, a BHP worker who was sacked for wearing a beard, and a type of tree that loves to grow around diamonds. Iron ore has struggled to regain lost ground as the benchmark price rose 2.8% to trade at US $57.80 per tonne at the port of Tianjin this week. The gain makes up for some of the lost ground of last week when iron ore plunged 4% following a 2-week price rally, and has been attributed to announcements from BHP and Vale. Last week, BHP said they would halt the Inner Harbour debottlenecking program at Port Hedland, and Vale announced they would cut 30 million tonnes of high-cost supply. Troubled miner Atlas Iron has also surprised the market with the announcement they will continue production at 2 of their mines in Western Australia. This week, the Fair Work Commission upheld the decision to sack an Olympic Dam employee who refused to shave off his beard. BHP brought in the site-wide clean-shaven policy in 2014 as a safety measure for emergency respirator use. However, a truck driver was dismissed after he refused to shave off his beard because he felt it was an important personal attribute. The unfair dismissal application was rejected on grounds that his refusal to follow reasonable and lawful directions by BHP made his employment at Olympic Dam untenable. And a special type of plant has been identified in Africa as having an affinity for growing near diamond-rich deposits. The thorny palm-like Pandanus candelabrum has been found to grow on top of kimberlite pipes, volcanic columns which typically host diamond bodies. Geophysicist Stephen Haggerty made the discovery during exploration work in Liberia, where the tough terrain makes the prospect of geobotanical mapping and sampling more attractive and cost-effective. This is not the first geobotanical plant to be discovered, with some species in Australia proving to indicate the presence of nickel, lead and gold through accumulations within plants. That's all for this week. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit miningaustralia.com.au for more industry news through the week. Next week we'll be back with On the Bench to discuss the hot button topics in mining today. If you have any suggestions for topics we could cover, please leave your comments below. I'm Ben Hagerman. Have yourselves a good weekend.